the Rachel Revolution oil, the Shimmery Puff Powder, and the lip gloss, and the Shimmery bronzer. I'm going to do the lip oil first because I feel like I want some oil on my chest. I have took off my top so you can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take, I'm going to take a fan brush because I feel like a fan brush is the best way to apply it. So I'm just going to have to zoom you out a bit. I'm just in a bralette, I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do is just apply some on my chest. Whoa, whoa, and then I'm just going to rub it in. Just rub the oil into my chest. Wow, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to have to turn one light off to show you a bit more. Okay, let me show you. Don't know if you can see that, but it's really like shimmery. Like it's really shimmery. I'm going to apply some on my arm. Whoa. See what I mean? It just goes down really far. I put some on here, and this oil feels really nice. Oh my god, it smells gorgeous as well. It smells actually really nice. Looks so nice. Looks really good. And do it on the other arm as well. Oh my god, whoa, that's a lot. Comes off a lot, but when you spread it out, it gets you a nice shimmery colour. Let me get my phone there, see what happens when I put light on it. Wow. Here's my arm. Like, wow. It is literally so shimmery. Got the shimmery all over. It feels really good. It feels really nice. Feels amazing on. It actually does look really pretty. It looks so good. I like the shimmery oil. It looks really amazing. It's not sticky. It's just really nice and it's really nice. So next we're going to try the puff. So with this, I see shimmer on my arm. Probably can't see it on camera, but it looks beautiful. So now we're going to try the puff. It's going to release the stick. Oh god, release the stickiness from the puff. Okay. That's what you get. Put that into there. Okay, what she said is you do that and then that, and that's it. Whoa, yeah. Look how much I've got on there now. Oh, I need to like, now I'm just going to put it on here. I'm just going to put on here. Holy crap. Holy crap. Like, seriously? Like, it's a puff and holy crap. Like, holy crap. Is she serious with this? Like, let me put it up. Holy shit. I can put it on top of the body oil. And I'm looking like $1 million. Like, oh my god, let me just put it on my chest as well. Just put it on here. Shove us the torch. Holy crap, you've got to see this. Can you see that? Let me turn off this light. Can you see what? Oh my god, you see that? What I mean. Holy cow. Do you see that? The shimmery puff is gorgeous. Like, it's so nice and gorgeous. It really is. Beautiful. I love it. It's just so beautiful. The bronzy, the glitteriness you just get is amazing. I love it. So now I'm going to try the shimmery bronzer. This is nothing new. I've tried the shimmery bronzer. I have tried it. Loved it. I love a shimmery bronzer. I love it because it makes sure, because as you can see, my face is really flat, and I like to have a little bit of, well, I've got some blusher, but I want to do this because this is, you can never beat a shimmery bronzer. It just takes your makeup to the next level. And what I do like about this, that all her products smell like vanilla smell. I'm so shimmery. I love this. I love this so much. So what I'm going to do now is do my eyes, and I'm going to put some highlighter on first. I'm going to put the Soph's highlighter on. Love this highlighter. Do not use too much though, because it can be quite intense. If you, I don't know about you, but I love a shimmery, a highlighter. One of my favourite things is a highlighter. I've come out doing the mini spice palette and then come back for the lips, and the lips are going to be gorgeous. Now it's time for the favourite part that I am excited to do. So I've already got lip colour on. I used the Soph Revolution lip liners in Toffee Icing and in Candy Icing. I put Toffee Drizzle around the edges and Candy Icing in the middle. I'm so excited to try the gloss, really I am. So let's try this gloss. Oh, a lot comes out. Oh, it smells gorgeous though. Oh my god, I need to zoom you in for this. They don't feel that sticky, do you know that? I'm just going to spray my face with some setting spray to get all this makeup sorted. Just put my hair back like so, and I don't. I do have the fan. Oh. This is the finished look with the Rachel Leary stuff, including my arms. Don't know if you can see that, but oh my good grief. I'm literally covered in glitter. Like if I went out in the sun, I'd be shimmering. So yeah, this is the final look. I love it. Now the mini eyeshadow palette is good. It's really good. It's better than the Extra Spice. If you want to have more pigmented colours and more of a smooth buttery formula, get this palette. It is so smooth and buttery. I put the shimmers do what butter on your finger. I did put it with a glitter glue, and the glitter glue does hold it on there. But yeah, I love the look. Didn't think I was going to go this glam. The lashes are from Dog Beauty Esmeraldas. I love these lashes so much. They're so pretty. I hope you do enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. These are my legs right here. They're all tanned. Now I'm going to have to put the body oil on. Do this handed. This one-handed, which is weird. So here we go. Oh my god, and it just goes down the leg. So let me just put it on. Oh my god, we're gonna go all the way. Just gonna do it all the way on here. Oh my god, I'm gonna do it all the way down the leg as well. I'm just gonna do it a little bit more on the leg. Look at that, that is beautiful. Oh my god, like literally, my legs are gonna be so shimmering. Like, look at that. Oh, they're just gonna be really shimmery. Can you see? Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Look at where the lights are.